this was my last shit.
Reloading.
Chain smoking, game dropping, go
That sound like a Prince song.
motherfucking. Brother, shut your mouth. Still a chain smoking, name dropping, go looking, motherfucking. Mother, shut your mouth. Brain broken, Frank Ocean listening, stay here inside and wood grain gripping, dripping. Mother, shut your mouth. Somebody pray for the guy, oh Lord. I wonder what Michael's on. Son jamming, new and shit, rapping, trapping, tripping, sitting, slipping, gluing, chewing, Vico done. Shoulda died, yelling YOLO was a lion, you a lion, wonder why you wanna die so young. You and I look at the like, and I'm afraid that this one right, I might be less than that I write a song. Lot of nigga wanna go out with a bang, but I ain't tryna go out the door. So I ain't tryna go out the door, got a lot of ideas, couldn't go out the door. Last chance joint, gotta be a dance joint from an perspective, drugged out standpoint. Throw bands joint, wanna hold hands joint, old school from my own old man joint. Still a chain smoking,
I'm out.
brain broken, Frank Ocean listening, stay inside and wood grain gripping, mama, shut your mouth. This part right here, right now, right here, this part my shit. I play this so loud in the car, I forget to park my whip. I lean back, this part my shit. I turn up, I talk my shit. Hope you love all of my shit. I hope you love all of my shit. Why toss my filter when she say my life? The same shit that kill us always stay so right. That's why I pray to the dealer. God know who